designed this aircraft with one of the most advanced computer-aided design tools. So consequently, we use highly sophisticated methods when we build it. In the end, we do not only have a very reliable, safe and economic aircraft, we build an experience of life.
Does an aircraft have a soul? A lot has been written on this subject, and many pilots have given the question some thought. In the case of a REMOS, this may be due to the high level of commitment, precision, and passion invested in its production. Literally every square centimeter is worked and formed by the experienced hands of our aircraft builders. The handling of high-tech materials, such as glass fiber and carbon fiber, requires first-class handicraft skills and abilities at REMOS, something the Germans have a long tradition of. Not a single component leaves the works without being given a special post-production check and certification. The full carbon wings in monocoque construction combine low weight and high stability with an almost unlimited lifespan. Even the structural elements are made of high tensile carbon fiber. Every gram of weight saved counts. The handling of this future-oriented material is itself a race against time. The more fluid the quality check synthetic resin is during the vacuum process, the more excess material can be removed from the component during the drying phase. Years of production experience have shortened the work stages to achieve maximum efficiency. After the drying procedure, the big moment comes. The bonded forms are opened and the highly stable fuselage is visible. Already the first-class surface properties are apparent. This saves costly finishing and improves the workflow at the trimming stage. Here again, one sees the quality in the form of handcrafted precision. In the structural section, the aircraft is prepared, part for final assembly. Even the mounting of undercarriage bushing is undertaken manually. The engineering performance is evidenced in the clever details, such as the directly steered nose wheel control. A last quality check is made on all components. After making sure that they fit perfectly to one another, the individual elements are subjected to a final stabilization process. They're fully hardened for 19 hours in the curing oven, which gives them the high stability that makes a REMOS aircraft so safe. In the paint shop, the surfaces are given their final look. The very smallest unevenness is removed. In skilled handicraft work, the foundation for a resistance-free airstream across the surface is laid. All openings to the already completed interior are carefully closed. Then, the outer surface is given a finish with 2 coatings of glossy white. The quality check under the eagle eyes of experienced employees is then continued. Part after part arrives in the stores on the way to final assembly. the most intricate and the final stage in the entire production process. The landing gear was also self-developed using the modern CNC process. The combination of the reliable and proven 100 HP engine made by Rotax and the ingenious aerodynamic structure of the REMOS culminates in first-in-class climbing performance. Each individual component and each tiny technical detail stands for the high level of functioning, comprehensive safety reserves, and an impressive level of comfort, all aimed at exceeding the high demands and expectations of the REMOS customer. In this way, the aircraft takes shape, acquiring the superior look that makes the high manufacturing quality of a product made in Germany immediately noticeable and perceptible. Impressive technical details, an ergonomic cockpit concept, the purest processing quality, high-precision fissile measurements, glossy uniform surfaces, exact fit components, and outstanding design solutions. Quality attributes that personify the soul of this plane. The passion and devotion of each individual turn of the hand during the production process form the character of a REMOS aircraft.